Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive car review. Today, we've got something truly special in the spotlight, the 2026 BMW iX, and not just any 9, but one finished in a stunning dark brown color that gives this futuristic SUV a surprisingly warm, almost earthy elegance. BMW has been pushing boundaries with its i-Series, and the 9 sits right at the forefront of that effort. It's fully electric, unapologetically bold in design, packed with tech, and a real statement car in the EV world. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or someone curious about luxury electric crossovers, this video is for you. So buckle up as we take a detailed journey through the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of the 2026 BMW iX. Let's go. Exterior. Right off the bat, the most striking thing about the 2026 BMW iX is how much presence it commands on the road. And when you pair that bold design with this dark brown paint, officially called oxide bronze metallic, it transforms the entire character of the vehicle. It's elegant, sophisticated, and turns heads in a more understated, mature way compared to flashier colors. The iX doesn't try to look like a traditional SUV. It's futuristic, clean, and a bit polarizing, but that's the point. BMW wants you to know this is a leap forward, not a retread of the past. At the front, you've got that signature oversized kidney grille, but here it's sealed off because there's no need for a traditional radiator. Instead, it's a piece of design that houses sensors, cameras, and radar behind a high-tech self-healing surface. Yes, it can literally fix small scratches with heat over time. The adaptive LED headlights are slim and angular, giving the front end a focused, intelligent look. Moving around to the side, the iX's proportions are clean, almost minimalist. There are no harsh character lines. Instead, the body surfaces flow smoothly. Door handles are flush-mounted, and the windows are outlined in satin aluminum that contrasts beautifully with the dark brown body. It sits on 21-inch aerodynamic wheels as standard, but our review model has the optional 22-inch bicolor aero wheels, which not only look amazing but also help reduce drag and improve efficiency. At the back, the taillights are just as slim as the headlights, giving it a high-tech feel, while the rear diffuser hints at performance without needing any exhaust tips. This is a fully electric vehicle, after all. Dimensions-wise, the iX is roughly the same length as the BMW X5, but it has a more futuristic silhouette, thanks to the sloped roofline and short overhangs. It's bold, but in dark brown, it manages to be both commanding and classy, a color that really works well for someone who wants luxury with a touch of individuality. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is just how different the 9 feels from any other BMW, or frankly, any other SUV on the market today. BMW has taken a minimalist, open-concept approach to the cabin, and it feels like a modern lounge on wheels. The dark brown exterior gives way to a warm, inviting interior color scheme. Our review model features the stone gray microfiber and olive leaf tanned leather, a sustainable, environmentally friendly material that still feels ultra-premium to the touch. The dashboard is incredibly clean, with almost no physical buttons. The centerpiece is a curved display that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch central touchscreen. This floating screen is slightly curved toward the driver, giving a cockpit feel while still maintaining the openness that makes the cabin feel so airy. BMW's latest iDrive 9 interface is intuitive, customizable, and responsive. The new Quick Select function makes navigating menus a breeze, and voice control works better than ever. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, of course. Ambient lighting wraps subtly around the cabin, and the optional Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof really takes things to the next level. With electrochromatic tinting, it can change from clear to frosted at the touch of a button, letting in natural light or giving you privacy when needed. The seats are sculpted and supportive, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear seat space is generous, with ample legroom and headroom, even with the sloping roofline. Because it's a dedicated EV platform, the floor is flat, giving rear passengers more comfort and a sense of openness. Storage is decent, with a clever center console that floats above the floor, offering storage below and a sleek glass rotary controller up top for infotainment. There's also a hidden wireless charger under a sliding cover. Super clean and practical. If you're looking for an SUV that feels like it came from the next decade, the 9 delivers that in spades. The blend of sustainability, cutting-edge tech, and luxurious comfort is one of the best in the segment right now. Performance. Now, let's talk about how the 2026 BMW 9 performs on the road, because while it's futuristic in design, it hasn't forgotten BMW's performance roots. There are 2 main versions available, the xDrive 50 and the M60. Our review model is the xDrive 50, which is no slouch. It comes with dual electric motors, one on each axle, giving you all-wheel drive and instant torque. Combined, you get a total output of 516 horsepower and 564 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to launch this luxury SUV from 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The iX handles surprisingly well for a vehicle of its size. The steering is responsive, and the adaptive suspension keeps things composed whether you're in comfort mode cruising through the city or sport mode carving up backroads. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery pack mounted under the floor, really helps it stay planted. There's a rear-wheel steering option as well, which makes tight turns easier and improves high-speed stability. The ride is incredibly smooth, thanks in part to the air suspension that actively adjusts based on road conditions. Range is another strong point. The xDrive 50 is equipped with a 111.5 kWh battery pack, usable capacity, which gives you an EPA estimated range of around 310 miles on a full charge. Real-world range is close to that, depending on how aggressive you drive and what kind of climate you're in. Charging is quick too. Thanks to its 400V architecture, the iX can accept up to 195 kilowatts of DC fast charging power, allowing you to go from 10% to 80% in about 35 minutes when connected to a high-speed charger. Regenerative braking is customizable, from coasting modes to one-pedal driving, and BMW's intelligent Regen system even adapts based on traffic, navigation, and your driving style. If you want even more power, the 9M60 turns everything up a notch, offering 610 horsepower, 811 lb-ft of torque in launch mode, and a 0 to 60 time of just 3.6 seconds, but it also comes with a steeper price tag. For most drivers, though, the xDrive 50 hits the perfect balance between everyday comfort, long-distance range, and exhilarating performance when you want it. Price review. So let's get down to the final question. What's this futuristic electric luxury SUV going to cost you? The 2026 BMW iX xDrive 50 starts at around $88,000 before any options, taxes, or incentives. But the model we're reviewing today is equipped with several optional packages, including the premium package, the 22-inch wheels, the Sky Lounge panoramic roof, and the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, bringing the total closer to $104,000. The 9M60 starts at approximately $111,000 and can be optioned up to around $125,000 depending on how fully loaded you go. Now, is that expensive? Sure. But compared to rivals like the Tesla Model X, Audi Q8 e-tron, and even the Mercedes EQE SUV, the iX offers a more refined interior, a unique sense of design, and truly engaging driving dynamics. Plus, it qualifies for various federal and state incentives in many regions, which can shave several thousand off the final price. And if you factor in the long-term savings from no fuel, lower maintenance, and EV incentives, the 9 becomes a more appealing proposition for luxury buyers looking to go electric. Conclusion. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 BMW iX in this gorgeous dark brown color? It's bold, modern, and completely in tune with where the automotive world is headed. BMW has created not just an electric SUV, but an entirely new experience, from the minimalist, luxurious interior to the engaging drive and solid range. And with this dark brown paint, the iX manages to make a strong statement while still looking refined and elegant. If you're in the market for a luxury EV that doesn't feel like it's trying to copy anyone else, and if you want tech, performance, and sustainability wrapped into one beautiful package, the BMW iX should be high on your list. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 9, especially in this color. Would you go for the xDrive 50 or splurge for the M60? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.